Hi, today we are making a breakfast. For this recipe we will need milk, bread and an egg. This is a very healthy breakfast. Why? Because bread gives you carbohydrates, milk gives you calcium, and an egg gives you proteins. Please do not forget to wash your hands with a soap before you prepare any food. We need one egg, and put your egg in a bowl. Then you add your 1/3 of milk inside. Mix it with a fork like this. After mixing it with a fork, you have to put it on a plate like this so you can soak your bread. As we used one slice or 2 slices of bread, one slice of bread will cost you R1, and since we are using 2 slices, it will cost us R2. And for an egg, it's R2, and milk will cost you around R1. So this beautiful breakfast will cost us R5. See, you can soak both slices on one solution. Let's start cooking. Bring your bread to a greased pan. Remember to grease your pan with margarine. Cook your bread for 30 seconds. Please put your stove at 2, as my stove goes up to 4. So I think you can put your stove at medium. You cook it for 30 seconds on this side. Then we cook it on the other side for 30 seconds. So this cooking will take us only 1 minute. So it's easy and delicious as well. Make sure it doesn't stick on your pan. After 30 seconds, turn your bread around. Wow, it looks nice now. Wow. Then you cook it again for the next 30 seconds on the other side. After 1 minute, your bread is well cooked both sides. Let's bring it to serve. Now our food looks nice and delicious. You see our bread is well cooked. Let's add beans. Remember, these beans are optional. You can eat your bread as it is, or you can add the beans to make it more tastier and even more healthier. Let's test our bread. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes like this. Wow, it's very delicious. Please leave comments in the bottom. Until next time, stay safe.